Okay, tonight we're gonna make some freezer-ready breakfast burritos. The ingredients we'll need is Jimmy Dean sausage, any kind of breakfast sausage will do, some tortillas, onions and peppers. We're running low in our area on eggs, so we're gonna do egg whites and some cheddar cheese. Okay, first we'll get going on browning the sausage. Okay, most of the pink is gone from the sausage, so we're going to add in the onions and peppers. Okay, the onions and the peppers are cooked down and soft. I'm going to put that in a bowl and cook our egg whites. There's still some oil in the pan. I'm going to throw in my egg whites. I'm going to season it. Put in my egg whites. Now I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. And then we'll wait until those are nice and cooked. Put them in a bowl, and then we'll start cooking our tortillas so that we can assemble the breakfast burritos. These burritos will be a high protein breakfast item, quick and easy for on the go. It's preferable to use whole eggs, but we are in an egg shortage right now. And this is all Costco had, or any of the stores around here. It's just containers of egg whites. But those have high protein, and we are good to go on that. Okay, now we're going to soften the tortillas. We're going to spray the pan with oil a little bit and turn it on. Pretty low heat to begin with. Okay, we'll start softening burritos. I've got some extreme wellness burritos. They're about 8 or 9 inches across. Those are perfect size for the breakfast burritos. I've turned the heat up a little bit to medium. So I'm hoping I'll make about 8 to 10 breakfast burritos with this recipe. And that's a pound of sausage, about an onion and a half a pepper, and then a carton of those egg whites. And then I'll add cheese before I roll them up. Okay, now we're going to start assembling the burritos. I've warmed the tortillas. I've got the sausage onion and pepper mixture, and the egg whites, and the cheese. So I'm going to start with the cheese. I'll put a generous amount down, and that cheese next to the tortilla will help the rest of the mixture adhere. All right, so a good spoon of that. Be adding some eggs. I like to do that and then fold them in. There's a big debate about how to fold a tortilla properly. This one's just fine like that, I think. Okay, I have 4 burritos here that I'm going to brown in the pan. I'm going to put a little olive oil and then cook it on medium until it's brown on all sides. Okay, these are brown on both sides, so we're going to take these out and let them cool on a cooling rack. And then we'll wrap them up in parchment paper, and they'll be ready for freezing. And then, all right, so I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit on that second batch. This whole recipe made about 8 burritos, and it had a little bit of filling left over. So we'll let these brown, and we'll put the others on the cooling rack until these are done. While the second batch of breakfast burritos are cooking, we're going to put these on a cooling rack and let them cool off before we wrap them in parchment paper. All right, the second batch is looking great. Nice color. We'll let those cook on that side, and then we'll be done and they'll be ready to cool. Okay, last batch is here, ready to cool off, but it's the perfect opportunity for a taste test. Sausage, cheese, egg, onion, and pepper mixture in there. You're gonna love these. I hope you make these breakfast burritos. They're very easy. And if you like what you've seen on my channel, please like and subscribe and comment down below. It certainly helps my channel. Okay, now our breakfast burritos are cooled. And we are going to wrap them up so we can put them in the freezer. Just wrap them in parchment paper and put them in a Ziploc freezer bag. And then you can take them as you need them and warm them in the microwave. Okay, those will keep in the freezer for several months, actually. All you need to do is take one out, heat it up for 1.5 to 2 minutes, and you're set for a good hearty breakfast or a breakfast on the go. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for joining me in Hope's Homemade Kitchen.